There are ways you can make money by working either as an employee or working for yourself. Either you are trading or using your time for money. This is even true. You can be a high-income earner like a doctor, a lawyer, an accountant. Essentially working for money by working. And as a worker, there are only two ways to increase the amount of money you make. You either by working more hours or you develop new skills. The second way to make money is by selling. What is it? You can make money by selling things. Of course, that's all we do as a closer as a copywriter. Just digital marketing. As a closer, the money you make does not depend so much on the time you put into it. You could put a lot of time on the phone and not make anything. Yes, it's nothing to do with talking now. You could be making $1,000 in 30 minutes. It's not determined by your time that you put into. What counts are three things. How many things, how good you are at closing, the size of the commission, and the price of the things that you sell. Making money by selling, closing the size of your commission, the price of the things that you sell. Number 3, you can make money by owning things. By owning assets. If you own an income producing assets, like maybe rental real estate, you can make income. Make money from your rental income. You can make money by lending. You can make money by not working harder, or even acquiring high-income skills, or even with profits or salary, you can make money on the money you lend. The interest charged for the money. Now we're talking about banks. Private equity. What's your capital? There are many variations. Basically those are 4 ways you can make money. Pretty much the most efficient way and most effective way to feel well. And this is especially true if you're starting from zero. Is this as you kind of move from worker to being a closer, a salesperson to owner, and eventually once you make enough money to being a lender? Kind of operating like your own bank. You're making money on the money. That's really it. Creating wealth is not that complicated.